Mudiba. Experience in abundance.
Nice little chip on this left-hand side to run onto for Tashrik Matthews. He's a quick man, Matthews. Turn from Shalolile. A little bit of a miss early on. Santos nicely parried away by the goalkeeper. Sight from goalkeeper Obasa.
It is class, it's composure by Shalolile. It is a shot that is on target. Of course, at the end of the day, they could not get it right, but good goalkeeping as well from Obasa.
Game and then getting numbers forward. And the box entries will come very quickly indeed. Another opportunity. Second of the game. First goal for Mamelodi Sundowns. An away goal is so important. He missed the first time from the left-hand side.
Process of that goal. Talk about being decisive. And that's exactly what he has been. First touch makes it difficult for any opponent to catch it. Gets it.
Pressure coming again from that right-hand side where let's talk about Marcelo Allende. Oh, it's a good header. Tremendous save from Sergio Bassa.
Wonderful save. What accuracy. And then agility as well to be able to save that. What a goalkeeping. Obasa.
Playing his football in Nigeria. Yende hit him here 1-0. So they'll come home and try to get the better of the Mozambican outfit. Again, the ball's been given away carelessly. Down the other side, the keeper's been caught off his line. Shalolile has the ball in the back of the net. There's a big protest from Remo Stars, but a second goal before half-time.
For appetite. Erratic at the back, and they got punished for it. Did they not know when they looked at the team sheets and they found the name? This man
there for nothing. It's a good little ball in the area. Bonus draws away from home, which is probably going to suit them coming back home and then having to play host to those two sides. Orlando Pirates losing by 3-0 against Eloui Lupopo. Shalolile is again the recipient. Good ball through the middle. Good chance as well for Matthews. And Sergio Bassa is brave at his feet.
I'm still pointing at the far side for Mamelodi Sundowns. Mudiba was an option as well.
By Mudau on goal! Support in the middle of the park. Reginho will tap it away. No side play. Sundown 3-0 and absolutely dominant. Reginho scored for the first time in the colours of the Brazilians. We've had an hour's play in Abiyakuta.
Stylish, precision, class, simplicity.
Tell you what,
look at this. Look at this. One man up against three. And those three were not aware that there's three more on the other side that they needed to deal with. It's an easy tap at the end of the day, Cap. It's football made easy.
And again, the difference. Quena with the touch as well. Cupido's had a good match. To be honest, just overcooks it a little bit. And Remo Stars looking to get the restart off to a positive reply off the crossbar from Remo Stars. Good bowling guards. Not backing Samson Olasupo. Olasupo, one of the goal scorers against Zilamachu during the first of the round one encounter.
What an attack. What a header as well. Denied by the crossbar.
Udao. Trumpy shipping it off the field of play by 3-0. Sundowns obviously went in command of things, and as we said, both Stellenbosch FC and Chiefs playing two goalless draws away from home. Peter Shalolile. Space here for Salles! Obasa tries to make the save, but Salles, the Brazilian, beautifully left-handed execution. Just took his time, was absolutely pinpoint. Obasa beaten for the fourth time. Sundown scored 2 in the first, 2 in the second. And Remo Stars in all sorts of trouble.
The concern for the coach would be the amount of time that the Sundown players had in the box. And of course, not clearing their lines convincingly, you don't hit the ball back into play. Head it to the side. And they got punished for that. That is pure class. And it's Salah, of course, acrobatic in his approach, celebration as well.
To be a tall man when the ball bounce, taste of their own medicine. Continue to play flowing football against Chileku. Opportunity here for a super! No mistake this time. Remo stars open their account, and I think that'll be probably disappointing for Mamelodi Sundown's goalkeeper and captain Ronald Williams, as well as coach Miguel Cardoso. The fans are loving it.
Well, it's a good goal. I mean, if you look at the control, manufacturing process, decisive in terms of what he does, the anticipation from Ronald Williams, he thought that ball was going to go onto his left-hand side, but played with some pace onto his right-hand side, off balance. It's a good goal, well-worked goal.